Hi Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for August the 16th to August the 18th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo po na sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Yan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Sagittarius, let's start. So, ang nakikita natin dito, medyo naiinip na tayo sa kakaantay. There's actually a separation between you and this person. Separation can be physical or energetic. So, parang sinasabi natin, uuwi pa ba siya? Dadating pa ba siya? Babalikan pa ba niya ako? No? You know what? Meron din ditong kung hindi man itong pag-uuwi, kung hindi man ito separation, na-stuck kayo, no? So, the relationship is literally stagnant. It's not moving. So, nangyayari ito kapag crushes or mutual situationship or mag-jowa, no? So, kasi kapag nandun na sa kasal, medyo or moving or cohabitation, medyo nasa ibang level na. So, ito, na-stuck kayo doon. So, parang naiinip yung isang tao, whether this is you or the other person. You can switch the energies though. What I am reading is the dynamic. So, Sagis, ang nakikita natin dito parang sinasabi ni Sagittarius or kung sino man ito, no, na dadating pa ba yung time na maayos itong relationship? Dadating pa ba itong time na magsasama kami? Dadating pa ba yung time na magkakaanak kami? No? So, merong isang taong, kumbaga, hindi nagsasalita, kinikimkim, pero masakit na. No? Um, the King of Swords and the Sun. I think meron ditong mga nasabi yung kabilang party, no? Sabihin natin, again, we can switch the energies. May siguro may nasabi si person, tapos sabi ni Cancer, ang sakit naman nun. Pero for the sake, sabi ni Sagittarius, ang sakit naman nun. For the sake of not actually, for the sake of hindi na lang lumaki itong gulo, much rather na hindi na lang din ako magsalita. So, feeling na ape, baka feeling lang or totoong naape, or baka iniisip niya, naapi nga ba ako or baka ako nagsimula. Actually, there's challenges or hardships already with regard to the relationship. Someone is staying, someone is waiting, that's for sure. Seven of Pentacles as well. When can I get the harvest? No, I think that the energies are also decreasing. So kung dating I am working on it, medyo nawala itong sigla, nawala itong enthusiasm, no, na parang ay tinatamad ako ng very light, no. With the Ten of Wands kasi nasa mga nangyayari. With the Two of Wands and the Ace of Swords, what I am seeing in here is parang um, sabihin natin, tinatanong din ni Sagis, no, nagmadali ba ako? Nagmadali ba ako na or mabilis ba yung pace ko, no, para ako lang ba yung naiinip or baka talagang matagal, no? Uh, the Page of Cups and the Seven of Swords. Hahapyawan ko to ng sobrang sandali. Kasi nakakakita ko na parang yung iba, no, nag-aantay, may mga abangers dito. No? Siguro si person nito. Or I'm seeing here, someone is liking Sagittarius din. Na parang sinasabi, or si Sagittarius nag-aantay, no? Again, you can switch the energies. Mangyayari pa ba yung pinapangako sa akin na mag-separate sila? So, third-party situation, it could be. na ako yung pipiliin. Or, meron din dito akong nakikita na nag-aantay lang, no? Parang sabing ganon, sisingit ako kapag wala na. You know, kumbaga that is more of morally, no? Kesa maging homewrecker. Seven of Wands, the Eight of Swords, pero nawawalan na nga ng pag-asa. No? King of Cups, the Nine. Oh, whatever it is that you are manifesting, it could be siguro tama, no? Yung naiisip mo na baka nagmamadali tayo, no? Basta may inip. Um, the energy is telling us to still wait, be patient. Meron kasi ding mga gustong sabihin pero hindi pa yata right time. However, with the Nine of Cups, this is a wish fulfillment. I'm also seeing a celebration. It might not be on the right time sa time frame na sigurong you set or you expected. But believe it or not, it's actually the right time or the divine timing is there. Eight of Swords, the Two of Cups, the Seven of Cups. I think that there is a lot of things in your person's plate. Sabihin natin busy or madaming talagang nangyayari, no? Pero it doesn't mean that the promise or kunyari, nasabi mo na itong naipahayag mo, no? Whether it is through verbal or energetic, ang sabi ngayon nito ni person is, alam ko, no? I heard you, alam ko din yung gusto mong mangyari, alam ko din, narinig ko yung gusto mong mangyari. So, don't worry, gagawin natin yan. And I think that things are about to happen anytime soon. The Two of Wands are there, no? So, ano-ano lang tayo. Kapit pa, no? So, Sagittarius, let's check the Sagittarius emotion, or it could be the person's emotion. I wish we could be together forever, and can you hear me whisper your name? So, what I'm seeing here is yung takbo ng relationship is you're not on the same speed. No, pwedeng same goal but not on the same speed. Yung isa nagmamadali or baka yung isa iniisa, pabanjing-banjing naman ito. No? Pero dadating at dadating na nandun din tayo sa finish line. So, let's check here the zodiac sign of the person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So, baka kapwa Sagittarius, Pisces, Leo, Scorpio, no? Taurus, Virgo, Cancer. Nasabi ko na ba yung Leo? Yes. So this is your reading, Sagittarius. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And nagla-live po tayo doon. Kung hindi nyo po mabuti yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, Sagittarius, kilala niyo yung sarili ninyo. Kung feeling niyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, dumiretso na kayo doon sa ating description box. Nandun po yung link ng aking website. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Bumungad po agad yung question form. Now, pwede nyo po doon i-type yung inyong question. Sa pinakababa po nun, there is this QR codes. Pwede po kayo, ayan, nandun po yung information ng how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. If I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, Sagittarius, tuloy pa rin yung manhunt, no? Kung gusto niyo manalo ng private reading, please report those fake accounts. Take a screenshot of your report, send it to the designated email. Ayan. So, Sagittarius, kung hinahanap niyo yung X-Files or yung readings about exes, and if you still care about your exes, nandun po siya sa Facebook. That is Babaylan TV. No? Sagittarius, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.